Hello everybody, I just wanted to do a quick video here on the Nextool Mini Sailor Pliers. So this would be a good replacement for the Leatherman Squirt PS4. On here we have a can opener, bottle opener. We have a knife blade. We have a flathead screwdriver. Then we have the sim removal tool. Here we have a Phillips head driver. And we have a pair of scissors. Then you get inside here, and we have a set of spring-loaded pliers. So it's a good little tool, and here it is in comparison to the Leatherman Squirt PS4. It's just slightly bigger in both dimensions, width and height, but they don't make this anymore, so this is a good replacement for that.